Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we will go through the steps on how to use the magic form element inside Cheetah. So what's so special about the magic form? Well, it's a quick and easy way to capture a new lead through the use of magic funnels without the headaches of having to go through all of the steps to create one. Let's go take a look. Now here, I have a web page where I am inviting individuals to participate in a chat. Now down at the bottom, I've got my call to action button, which in this scenario, we would definitely like it to trigger maybe a pop-up with this invite to fill out this form. Now, in this example, I'm not utilizing this inside a pop-up, but rather just to keep it simple, I'm using a panel right below the actual chat. So here is my magic form. Now, to include or insert a magic form into your panel, all you have to do is go to Add, select Elements, and then go down to Magic Form, and then just simply drag in the form. Now, once you drag in your form, all you're going to have to do is just right click on it, and then here with the little gear icon, just go ahead and select it. And then once you select it, you'll just have to go through and fill out the fields. Now here's the first page. All it requires is your email receiver, enter your name there, enter a subject, and then a redirect URL. Now, if you're going to be connecting this to a magic funnel as we go through the steps, then go ahead and leave this blank. Now, here are your success and error messages. Next, what you want to do is select fields. Now, here I highly recommend that you make no modifications here, except maybe your tag internals. Now, here is where you're going to go in and insert your magic funnel link. Now to access your magic funnel link, you simply just need to click here to open up the funnel club with a link generator. Now here is a simple reminder that if you've not connected your domain, here's simple instructions to do so. For now, we're going to just go ahead and exit out of here. Okay, now we're inside the link generator. What you do from here is just simply scroll down and select Magic Funnel. Now, a new feature that's been added is to ensure that you have Add Your User ID checkmark. This will ensure that your actual user ID is embedded into the URL, making sure that you get proper credit. Now here is where you have to start making selections with regards to how your magic funnel is going to work. Now if you want your attendees to register for the free plan, you'll place a check mark here. Now if it's not checked, then they'll be automatically registered for the 14-day free trial, which unlocks all of the cool bells and whistles for 14 days. Now, Cheetah access is really important, and this could be part of the feature or the benefit that you've communicated to your site visitor or to your client, allowing you access to help them with anything related to Cheetah. Now it's time to determine where you would like to redirect your visitors once they've registered. So if you have a pre-made thank you page inside Cheetah, which we do for this example, we're going to go ahead and copy paste it from my notepad and go ahead and bring it in here. Next, all you have to do is just make sure under Mailing Boss List, you have a list attached. Next, you just select Get Link, and a link will be created right down below. Now you can also incorporate the use of the magic funnel by focusing or promoting a paid plan. So all you have to do is, instead of selecting Enter a URL here, select Choose a Plan. And then here is the plan that your magic funnel will promote. We're going to go ahead and select the $1 premium plan funnel. Again, make sure that your email list is attached. Now, after your payment has been made, where would you like to redirect them? So again, we're going to go ahead and just add the thank you page here. Select Get Link. It will generate or regenerate all of the adjustments made and incorporate it into this link. So let's go ahead and select Copy here. Let's go back into the action and insert the URL here. Select Save. So now let's go take a look. So up at the very top here, let's go ahead and select Save. And let's go test drive this. Okay, so here we are on the chat page. Now again, you can either have a live event happening just via chat, via webinar or from your YouTube channel, you can get really creative with this. But your call to action button, one recommendation would be to maybe trigger that pop-up that will hold this information here, or maybe take them to a different page where they can fill out this form. It's really up to you. But for this example, we kept them right here on this page. All right, so he has filled out his name. Your visitor has entered their email address and then a password. So once they select submit, it has now taken them to the $1 funnel. Okay, so now here's the opportunity to test drive the full premium plan for 30 days for just $1. Okay, so here they have to enter their credit card information and complete the sale. And then from there, they'll be sent through the process of registering and setting up their premium plan. Now, if they, for whatever reason, elect to or decide to just exit out at the very top and close the tab, then again, they will default back to a free plan. And that is how you use the magic form to easily set up a magic funnel to promote, in this case, the $1 funnel. So in this video, we walked through on how to add a magic form to your Cheetah website. We then went through and made the necessary adjustments inside the form using the 3 tabs at the top of the form, which are email, fields, and then action. From the action tab, I showed you how to easily use the link to open up and set up your magic funnel through the link generator. We then took that link, generated from the selections we made, and inserted it back into the action link inside the magic form. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.